Hey there, I was sent over this plant stand to put together and try out, and since I can't get the entire thing in frame, let's take a closer look at what it comes with and how easy it was to put together. The plant stand comes with everything you're gonna need to put it together. I took it out of the box and everything is labeled perfectly. There were letters on everything as well as all the hardware that goes with it. The instruction manual that comes with it is easy to follow. It's in full color and everything is labeled. I didn't have any trouble following the directions, other than the one piece that I put on backwards, and that was on me. I always do that when I put stuff together. It also comes with all the tools you're gonna need. It's 2 hex keys, there's a screwdriver on one end, and a wrench. That's the only tools you need. It also comes with an anchor set, so it can be anchored to the wall for extra stability. Putting this together was super easy. I got everything out of the box, laid it all out so I could see what I was working with. To start, I put the bottom shelving together along with the casters on the bottom. 2 of the casters do lock so you can keep it in place or unlock them so it rolls easily across the floor. Next, I assembled the actual plant stand itself by putting the metal pieces together and the shelves on that. Finally, it was time for the top piece. Once that was completed, I connected all the wires and I also hung the hook on the top shelf, and I put it in place and put some plants on it, some books, and a couple decorations. Now that it's assembled, let's go over the actual electric lighting features on the plant stand. This is the cord that comes with it that goes from the plant stand to the adapter that goes into the wall, and I just have the adapter unplugged. It does come with it. With this, you can turn the light on or off, and you can also adjust the brightness. This has 8 different light settings, so you can bump it up or down as needed. And you can do it with this or with this remote. This remote will turn it on. You can adjust the brightness up or down as needed. And there's also a timer feature on it. So you can do 4, 8, or 12 hours. On the back of it is where the battery goes, and the battery is included in this remote. I really like how easy the instructions were to follow and how it was to put together. Once it was together, I like how versatile it is. If you don't want to keep plants on all the shelves, you can also use it for decorations and change them out for the holidays or whatever you want to do. The 8 dimmable lighting features as well as the timer make it even more customizable. If you're looking for something to put plants and decorations on that's not going to take up a ton of room and is going to look perfect in multiple spaces, then I hope this helps you decide on if this is a good plant stand for you.